Hi, this is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper, and this is our commercial vinyl installation in a residence. We finished this job about 2 weeks ago now on a Saturday, and the lady who owns the house is selling it and wanted to put commercial vinyl over her existing wallpaper, and I think it came out pretty nice. If you like the video, you can click on like, subscribe to our channel. But this video I actually did in order to show you how to clean up the residue of glue on your tiles or your linoleum. Even if you keep a drop cloth down, eventually you step off of it and sometimes it's inevitable you get a little glue on the floor. So it's a common household item. If you're cleaning most surfaces, you could even do this on a polyurethane floor. It's rubbing alcohol. Okay, just want to pour a little on the floor, and then you just go in and wipe it up. You will see that not only does the floor dry really quickly, the glue comes right up, all right? And that's the way we should leave our floors for our customers, right? Nice and clean. The first thing they notice, unfortunately, is not the beautiful job that you did. It's the floor that's sticky. So you just keep turning your rag around, and you can get this solution for $1 for a medicines cabinet size bottle of it. And like I said, the glue, see that little black speck there? Comes right up. Little rubbing. I learned this trick up in New York. And so there you have it. And the last thing that should touch the floor is your hand. And you let your customer come in, and then they can see how beautiful you did. And there you have it. Commercial vinyl over residential wall covering. This is Spencer Colgan. Thanks for watching. Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper.